Mask is an important source these days for the prevention of spreading of diseases. So it is important to know how to use a mask properly and its benefits. Let us find out in this video. What are the benefits of wearing the mask? 1. Wearing a mask can protect you from contact with different viruses and flu and therefore keeps you safe. 2. In the time of illness one can prevent the spreading of diseases from one person to another by wearing a mask. 3. Properly wearing a mask while going outside can protect your community from getting in contact with the flu. Many people do a lot of mistakes while using a mask. What are they? 1. Never use a mask which is damaged. Damaged masks cannot protect one from bacteria present in the air. 2. Always cover your face until your nose while wearing the mask. If you don't cover your nose, bacteria can enter your body through your nose. 3. Do not remove your mask where there are people. One of the important reasons of wearing a mask is to prevent the spread of diseases, so do not remove your mask in public. 4. Do not use a mask which is difficult to breathe through. Always wear a mask which fits you perfectly so you can feel free. 5. Do not touch your mask while wearing it. Touching the mask while wearing it can spread the bacteria which might be in the hands to the nose. By avoiding these mistakes, we can prevent spreading of diseases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for more informative videos.